Listen to this line. It feels like I never left.
Come on. They love you. Feel the love.
Thank you. My goodness.
Welcome back to our program.
Man, it feels like I never left.
Happy to have you here.
This is something people say when they come back somewhere and everything still feels familiar. Maybe they were away for a long time, but the place, the people, or the atmosphere still feels natural to them. So it feels like I never left means coming back does not feel strange, awkward, or distant. It feels easy and familiar right away. You can use it when you return to work, visit old friends, go back to your hometown, or come back to any place where you still feel comfortable. Here are 2 quick examples.
I thought going back would feel weird.
But it felt like I never left.
We haven't seen you in years.
I know, but honestly, it feels like I never left.
Now say it out loud. It feels like I never left. Now write your own sentence in the comments using this sentence. If you want more short, practical English lessons, subscribe to our channel.